Hi, John. How you doing?
Oh, hi, Sal. Not too bad. Just beginning to realise that it won't be long before I have to start looking for a job.
But the spring term's only just started.
I know, but think how fast the last 2 terms went. We'll be finished before we know it.
I guess you're right. It's a bit scary, isn't it? What are you hoping to do?
With my degree in business, I'd like to go into marketing, but I'll probably end up in sales as there may be more jobs there. So I'm not totally sure at the moment. Oh, that reminds me. There's a careers talk next week which we could go to if you fancy it. Anyway, what about you? Any plans yet?
Well, I really want to get a job overseas. My sister and her 2 kids live in Australia. She's a doctor. And I'd love to go out there. But before that, I'm going to look for a job teaching English somewhere in Asia, possibly in China.
Really? That'd be great. I'll come and visit you.
Yeah, OK. Apparently there's a big demand for English teachers in China, but I'm a bit worried as I'm not really sure how to go about finding a job or how to sell myself. And to be honest, I don't know how useful this type of experience will be for my long-term job prospects in this country.
It's difficult, isn't it? So, what are you doing next Wednesday? Shall we go to this talk?
Who's the speaker then?
It's a guy called Adam Lorimer, one of the careers advisors. He once came in and talked to us about writing CVs. I thought he was quite good. He used to work in human resources, apparently, so he should know what he's talking about.
OK. Is that the 16th or the 17th of January? Oh, let me just check. OK, it's the 17th.
So what do you think? Shall we go?
Maybe. What's he going to talk about?
Apparently, the talk will cover looking for work and writing applications, including tips on how to impress your potential employers.
That sounds perfect, actually. What time does it start?
7:30 p.m. Why don't we meet a bit earlier, say 6:30, and have a drink in the cafe?
And where did you say the talk is exactly?
Right, it's in the engineering block in C something, I think. Let me double check. Yes, C13, which is really easy to find as it's on the ground floor. I'll meet you there.
I've never been to engineering. Is it the building opposite the library?
No, that's the history faculty. It's opposite modern languages.
OK. Is there a small garden in front?
That's right, with a water fountain.
I know.
After you've walked in the main entrance, you'll see a cafe directly in front of you. We could meet there, and the room where the talk will take place is next to that.
Hold on, so C13, the venue for the talk, is straight ahead after I've entered the building?
Well, slightly to the left from where you are after you've gone into the foyer area. I think there's a laboratory immediately on your left when you go in. If you have any problems, there's a reception area to your right next to a big lecture theatre.
Think I've got it. I'll give you a call if I'm running late. Better dash now as I'm meeting Tarek in 10 minutes. I'll see you in the cafe at 6:30 next Wednesday.
OK, see you then.